Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Good afternoon or good morning, good evening, wherever you are in your day. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Today, I am sharing a design team project for Crafty Me Shop for the month of July. Cannot believe we're in the month of July, actually towards the end of the month of July. It's crazy on how fast time is going by. But I'm sharing this month's design team project, and I am sharing a mini journal that I did, a beautiful, beautiful mini journal, and I'm so in love with her, and I cannot wait to dive in and show you all. But first of all, I just want to share, like I said, this is for Crafty Me Shop, and I'm going to link all of the information below on how you can get all of the beautiful laces that I'm showing today, or new stuff that she's coming out with every day. She's always coming out with something new every weekend. In fact, she actually has a sale going on right now this weekend. She had a sale yesterday. She has a sale today that she's finishing up, and she's having a sale tomorrow. And she's calling it her last chance sale. And a lot of her CMS laces are going to be discontinued. So if you want to grab all those beautiful Crafty Me Shop laces, get on over to her Facebook group and grab what you can. It is going to be gone. So I will link all that stuff below for you guys to go on over and check her out. So let's get started. I am so happy with this mini journal. I'm in love with her. It's different. It's very different to do a tiny journal like this. And it's not tiny, tiny. She's 4 inches by 3 with a 2-inch spine. And it's a 1 signature with a 3-hole stitch. And every lace in here is Crafty Me Shop. And so we're going to get started with my favorite part, which I love so much. It is the rose pendant charm. I absolutely love that. I got a couple when I got it because I just loved it so much. I hope they have more. I gotta go grab some and see if they have any more. But anyways, on the front we have beautiful ruffled lace. And like I said, on the spine, I have a three pamphlet stitch, and we got the double ruffle on the inside, along with the ruffle on top. And then we have a beautiful strip of lace here that I hoarded. It was actually in my vault. This piece here, she doesn't sell that anymore. I'm going to open her up, and there's also a embroidered piece in here that I did. That was the inspiration for my journal. And here is the embroidered corset that I did on my embroidery machine. And I dolled her up with lace and pearls, and I just love her. Love how it came out. If you go into my short videos, you'll see the embroidery being done on this piece here when I started the journal. And then this piece here, I have a magnet that opens up. I have a little pull tab here, and I got a magnet piece that opens up. I got a beautiful Somewhere in Time. This is going to be a part of my big journal that's coming out. This is the piece that I made, the Somewhere in Time piece there. And that little part clips like that. And then we open her up here. We have this beautiful lace here. This is one of my favorite pieces right now of hers. And then this is one of her newest laces. And actually she posted this piece today, last chance. She's selling her last yards of this. I'm glad I grabbed enough when I had the chance, because I love this. With this piece here, I added a little heart pin, and she opens up. It's a flip out. Beautiful trim there. And put her back together like that. Got the beautiful ruffle. And make sure I didn't double shut that. I don't think I did. Hold on, make sure. No, it didn't. That's actually a part of it. Okay. And then we open up to a little small belly band here. And these little hearts that she sells are my favorite as well. And I added some lace trim on the side. And this here is a tag that is from my Lady of Grace journal kit that's actually on my Ko-Fi. And in here I got a little journal card. It's funny because all of my kits that I make are all for 9x6 journals. So I had to go and reprint a bunch of stuff at a smaller level. So that was a little challenging, but it was fun. This piece here, this is funny. This is actually I'm going to bring it up close so you can see it. I dressed the dress form, and this was actually an applique, Crafty Me Shop, of course, and it has a piece that comes out like this, and it has two long strips that come out. And I cut the ends and made it into a dress, and she came out so beautiful. And I used the other piece as the belly band here, which is the bottom part. So I got two uses out of it, which I think is really cool. So I made that pretty dress there. And then we have a Polaroid. I used some acetate on there. Cute little Polaroid with a bow. We get the beautiful background lace here. That beautiful rose fabric lace. And then we have the somewhere. We have the Lady of Grace cameo here. I love this series. I have this on my Ko-Fi. I don't know if I have the whole kit up of this one. I have the other one that Laura Mitchell did for her journal, on her journal book that she did. But this one, I'm not sure if I have the whole kit. I'll check, and if I don't, I will go ahead and add that. I did a little something different here, and I added some rose gold corners, which I thought just made a really nice touch to the journal, just to add a little weight to the page. And I thought that was so cute. I just love how that came out. And then in here we have a lace pocket with a little rose. We have some stamps, some shabby chic stamps that I made as a part of a kit that I already have up. And then I just left this blank. It's a piece of vellum that I printed on with some beautiful ruffle. And I did like a little loop on the edge of the page here, which I thought was cute. I love that trim there. That's one of my other favorites that she sold. And then here we have one of her newest little appliques that I got. And I made it into a pocket that holds these three little cute little stamps with a little heart on it. You get the beautiful ruffle on the bottom, satin lace with the white ruffle there. This is one of my favorite pages here. I love everything ballet, and I wanted it to look all shabby pink ballet. I just love ballet so much. And you guys will see that in my other journal that I'm working on with the healing journal. Has a whole ballet page thing to it. But this here I got from Sweet Sakina. She sent me these beautiful butterflies. I think it was like a 12-pack that she gave me. I'm in love with those so much. And then we have the pink ruffle. I told Esme she needs to put these back up. This pink ruffle here, I absolutely love it. And we get the ballet slippers and the cameo with the beautiful bow and the heart pin. This journal is just so cute. I just love it so much. I plan on making another one. And then we've got the back. This was the outer casing of the signature. And it has the beautiful Crafty Me Shop. I call it applique wide. It's an applique wide. It's a big piece of applique that's actually fabric. It's really pretty. And then her lace underneath as well. And then I did another magnet here, which opens up to 2 more little pictures. I didn't want to put anything on the inside just because I just wanted to keep it simple on the photo. I didn't want the magnet to have a hard time, you know, because it's a very thin magnet and I didn't want to make it too thick. But then we have this beautiful lace here. That's another one of her new laces. And then this trim here. I absolutely love that trim. And then that's the back here with another ruffle and that beautiful, I call it a corset lace because it looks like corset crisscrossing on the back. That's also on the front. But that is the mini journal. And she's so shabby. I just love her so much. And I plan to make another one this Tuesday during the live this Tuesday. I'm hosting a live with the ladies and me, Laura, Maggie, and possibly Lori. So it'll be a fun live. I don't have time yet. I will post it on the group. Make sure to go over to the group and check it out. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I wanted to share with you all. Yes, actually, really quick, I'm going to be next, besides doing another little journal during in between. Okay, so really quick, the next thing that I'm continuing to get back into to finish making is I did my 3rd signature during the last live that I did with the ladies last week. And now all the 3 signatures are actually finished. So these will be tied in. And I was thinking about doing that on video as well. Not sure yet. Life has been really busy, so I'm not sure. Can't promise I'm going to do a video tying those in, but I will show it to you once I get them tied in if I don't. But this journal series is absolutely my favorite. I'm having such a good time with this, and I can't wait to show you what's going to come up next for these books. That's going to be on the inside. So that's going to be coming up as well. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and checking out my design team project for Crafty Me Shop. As I said before, everything will be listed below. Make sure to go check out her Facebook page. A lot of people ask, how do you buy? Well, she has a image on her Facebook that tells you exactly how the sales work. You go to her Facebook page, you're going to send Maggie or Esme a private message after you join, letting them know what your PayPal information is, so that when you do contribute into the sale, they'll have your information to give you an invoice. She'll post photos throughout the sale, and you just go ahead and pick what you want. It's pretty easy. So go on over to her Facebook page and get all these beautiful laces. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this flip through of this mini journal. And I appreciate you all. Thank you all for your sweet messages. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it so much. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. And I will see you guys in the next one. I hope to see you on Tuesday as well. Bye, guys.